Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Dear children, in the last class we have learned about living and non-living things. Today we shall discuss the second lesson of science subject. The name of the lesson is Animals and Plants. Dear children, before going to the topic, let me ask you a question. Are animals like cats, dogs and tigers living things or non-living things? Yes, they are living things. Why they are living things? Because they have life. For example, when you call out a dog, it comes running to you, right? Then now, can you call a mango or a banana? Will they come to you? No. Then are mangoes and bananas living things? Do they have life? Yes, they have life. They too are living things. Though both animals and plants are living things, they are different from each other in many ways. Now, let us learn more about animals and plants. First, let us discuss the movements of animals and plants. Before that, let me ask you another question. Why do birds and animals move from one place to another place? They move from one place to another place in search of food. Have you seen plants moving from one place to another place? No, they do not move. Most of the plants are fixed to the ground. They do not have to search for their food. They make their own food. Secondly, let us discuss about the food of animals and plants. Do they make their own food? No, they do not make their food. They eat the food that nature gives. What do cows and buffaloes eat? They eat grass. What do elephants eat? They eat sugarcane. What do lions, tiger and cats eat? They eat other animals. So children, some animals eat grass and some animals eat other animals. Now, what about the plants? Do they also eat food? Yes, they also need food to live. A very good thing about the plant is they make their own food. Have you seen plants making their food? No. The green plants make their food with the help of water, air and sunlight. And they also take food from the mud through their roots. There are also tiny plants like molds or a kind of fungi and mushrooms. They are non-green plants. We can see them in spoiled bread, fruits, in wet leaves, etc. They do not make their food, but they get their food from dead and rotting matter like spoiled bread, fruits, leaves, etc. Now, do animals and plants breathe? Let's discuss about it. Dear children, do you breathe? Yes, of course. We all breathe. If you stop breathing, you will die. And how do you breathe? You inhale air through your nose and fill the lungs in the chest, right? Similarly, animals and plants too breathe. They have different ways of breathing. Animals like horse, tigers, monkeys and gorillas breathe through their lungs. Fish have gills which help them to breathe in water. Insects like ants, cockroach, flies and butterflies have air holes in their bodies which help them to breathe. Now, do plants breathe? Have you seen them breathing? Yes, they also breathe. We cannot see them breathing, but they breathe. Plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. Let us now learn about the sense organs. Can the animals see other animals? Smell food? Hear sounds? Taste the food? Do they feel the pain? Yes, like us, they can see, smell, hear, taste, and feel. They do it through eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. These are called as sense organs. These organs help them to know about the world around them. Can the plants also see, smell, etc.? No, they cannot. Plants do not have sense organs. How do animals and birds reproduce? Or how does one cat become many cats? Yes, the mother cat gives birth to small kittens. It is called as reproduction. Some animals and birds reproduce by laying eggs, and some animals reproduce by giving birth. For example, animals like snakes and birds lay eggs. Baby animals come out from these eggs. Some animals like cats and cows give birth to their young ones. Now, what about plants? How do plants reproduce? Yes, most plants produce seeds. These seeds give rise to new plants. In some cases, new plants can grow from a part of the plant, like stem, roots, or leaves. Finally, dear children, do animals need plants? And do the plants need the animals? Yes, they need each other. Animals and plants depend on each other. Though animals and plants are different from each other, they depend on each other to live. Animals need plants for their food. Plants need animals to give them manure and also control the plants. If there are too many animals and a few plants, there will be problem. And if there are too many plants and a few animals, also is a problem. There will not be a balance in the nature. The nature needs just enough plants, just enough plant-eating animals, and just enough flesh-eating animals to keep the balance in the nature. When there are too few animals of a kind, such as the tiger, this balance gets disturbed. When we cut down many trees without planting new ones, then also this balance gets disturbed. Human beings have killed many animals and cut down many trees. That is why we have so many environmental problems. We should protect all kind of animals. We should also grow more trees. Then we can maintain a balance and be happy. Dear children, Hope you understood the lesson. Let us meet in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.